it's Joby from OMC Ford in Oldham, and here today we have in stock a Ford Focus 1 litre petrol ST Line X, finished in Agate black, a stunning looking vehicle. It's a 20 plate, it's had one previous owner, 9,792 miles on the clock. Comes with some exterior features as front and rear parking sensors, power folding wing mirrors and rear privacy glass. 18-inch diamond cut alloys with red brake calipers really do make this vehicle very easy on the eye. ST Line X is finished off with some fantastic features inside, so I'll just take it inside to show you them now. Now we're inside of the Focus. So on the driver's steering wheel it's finished off with red stitching, fully leather, a nice touchscreen dash inside which includes your features like DAB radio, satellite navigation, Android and Apple CarPlay, and below there's some air conditioning, front heated windscreen and heated seats are just some of the features that this beautiful car has to offer. So this is a stunning looking vehicle that can be used for personal use but also as a family car with a very generous boot space. If you do feel like this vehicle is suited for you, we do a 160 point mechanical check for your peace of mind. You can leave a £99 deposit on our website. Alternatively, on our website you will find part exchange valuations for your current car. If you would like some more information, you can ask for myself, Joby, on 0161 287 4141 if you'd like a personal video or if you'd like to book yourself in for a test drive with us here at Ford Oldham.